Hi.
Hi.
Niko nani hapa?
Lemabwesi.
As in Lemabwesi. Okay, I have this question. Why does many guys prefer dating whites than their own race Africans?
Because white people are not lustful like black people most of the time. And they're super nice.
So does it mean that because of their niceness maybe ndio inafanya mna wa date than kudate their own Africans?
Yes, black people, they're just tough. Wanapenda tough love.
So, okay, na kitu gani ingine apart from that? Maybe in terms of finance ama
Most of them wanakuanga wamejipanga. They have money.
So does it mean that nyinyi mmeamua tu hakuna venye utadate msee mwenye ana deal na cash, so it's better you go for dollar?
Kitu kaa hiyo.
So
yeah.
What about in terms of color?
Color? Color no. I don't like white. Color yao hapana.
So meaning that okay, the main factor there ni pesa. Okay, then nikuulize swali lingine, as in ukikutana tu na boy hivi leo na aku approach vizuri, unaweza kubali mdate hiyo siku?
No.
Why?
Lazima akuwa ameonyesha effort.
Na kama amekunice tu sana, amekupea tu.
Hapana, hiyo haitoshi.
Then how much can a guy spend on a date?
And anaweza afford.
Hata 10 bob ya ice pop.
Bora we have fun. Yeah.
Okay, how much is your tattoo worth?
3K.
Wow. Then swali ingine, as in what's your worst date experience?
I've never been on a date.
So does it mean that you are single?
Yes.
Seriously speaking?
Yes.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.